Today we're installing yellow tongue onto our floor joists. So we're using the Soudabond Subfloor adhesive. So what we're doing is we're applying that and then we're fitting off with the Simpson Strong Tie quick drive system. Both these systems tie in really well together. So callbacks, you want to avoid in all areas. So having a floor creaking or after you've put your tiles or carpet or anything down, that's the last thing you want. So doing it right the first time is obviously the best way. Well, the thing that attracted me most to Soudabond was the way that it expands after the floor sheet's laid.
The main difference with Soudabond Subfloor is that it goes down as a foam, drops down to a gel. You then place your boards down on top and it'll foam back up, which will help fill all those gaps in between your joists and your floorboards. Ultimately, what that's going to do is stop squeaking down the track.
So with Simpson Strong Tie quick drive system, the screws, it actually produces like a clamping system. So that reduces the squeaking as well. So with the two working together, you get a really good fixing.
So we've got the extension on the tool today, which is allowing for upright installation. So obviously saving the guys' backs and time as well. So able just to walk along and screw off the floor instead of having to bend down and screw it off by hand. So one of the good benefits we've got with this tool here is our depth adjustment. The good thing with that is it means obviously once we're using it, we can't actually knock it. Once we've got that depth set, it just means all our screws are obviously going to be embedded at a consistent level.
And they save your body, and obviously that's what you're aiming for. If you're doing a strenuous job like this, you want to preserve your body as much as you can. So usually we just use the sort of like a caulking gun. So you'd be bending down and applying that to the joist. But with this Soudabond system here, it's got a 1 metre long application so that you're standing up pretty much the whole time. So it's saving your back, your hamstrings, and the finger application is really easy as well. So it's reducing the stress on your hands. And it's really fast. So it comes out very fast, 75% faster using this application rather than the normal cartridge.
So 1 can of Soudabond Subfloor is equivalent to 12 cartridges of traditional adhesive. The cost savings there just in 1 can is actually cheaper than buying 12 cartridges.
Simpson Strong Tie quick drive system, it's an attachment onto a drill. So that way you're standing at a comfortable height and you're not putting force on your back. So that was really handy as well, especially when you're doing it, for a large floor area. So yeah, it's really good.
Do it right the first time with the Soudabond Subfloor and the mechanical system screwing down. There's no callback, so that costs an absolute fortune to a business.
The quick drive system has been around for many years in Australia, but we're constantly updating the system. Obviously the new cordless system that we're running today, the new WSV screws with 25% less torque on install. So again, just speeding up that installation process for the user and builder.
Given if we were using another system, I'd predict it would have taken almost the whole day. But, we've laid this first unit in almost under 2 hours. So it's come out a lot quicker than what I expected using both these systems together.